Are you tired of the daily grind? Searching for a way to make money while you sleep? Look no further, because today we're going to unlock the secrets to profitable passive income streams in the USA. With a little knowledge and the right strategy, you can achieve financial freedom and create a steady income that requires minimal effort from your side. Are you ready to unlock these secrets? Let's dive in. One popular way to make passive income is through real estate investing. By purchasing rental properties, you can generate a steady stream of income from tenants. The great thing about real estate is that it tends to appreciate over time, so you can also benefit from long-term capital gains. It's time to start building your real estate empire. Another method is investing in dividend stocks. By purchasing shares of companies that pay regular dividends, you can earn passive income through stock market returns. With careful research and a diversified portfolio, your money can grow while you sit back and relax. It's time to put your money to work for you. Creating and selling digital products is another fantastic way to make passive income. Whether it's an ebook, an online course, or even a mobile app, the internet provides endless opportunities. Once you create your product, you can earn money every time someone purchases or downloads it. It's time to turn your knowledge into profit. Lastly, affiliate marketing is a popular method for generating passive income. By promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale you refer, you can create a passive income stream without ever having to handle inventory or customer service. It's time to become an affiliate marketing guru. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort up front, but once you set everything up, the money will flow in without much additional work. So, are you ready to unlock these secrets and start making money while you sleep? We believe in you. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Keep unlocking those secrets and achieving your financial dreams.